Well, we worked through the blizzard, loaded out all the snow off the site so we can continue working. There's minimal delay out here.
We are moving ahead on schedule. We're right where we anticipated and need to be, and we worked right through the weather and not missed the beat.
Below freezing temperatures and inches of snow did little in the way of halting work on one of the major construction projects currently happening in Chicago. After months of relocating the utilities under and around the north-south section of Wacker Drive, work on the $300 million reconstruction of the famed two-storied roadway has moved on to the next phase. On January 3rd, demolition of the drive began in earnest as crews ripped out the viaduct from Randolph to 200 feet south of Washington. Now, 2 months in, the new structure is starting to take shape.
What you're seeing now is us starting to come up out of the ground. The caissons and grade beams have been poured, the columns have been erected and poured, and you're also seeing the abutments being poured as we speak.
Thus far, progress on the project has been nothing short of outstanding. Brutal weather aside, the sheer logistics of moving traffic and people around the site, as well as maintaining services and accessibility to the businesses along it, has also presented a unique set of challenges to those involved.
The difficulty with the pedestrian traffic and with the vehicular traffic, it's very dynamic. It changes on a day-by-day basis. What we have done is we've coordinated all the other closures in the central business district. So we're working through our permitting process with basically any other lane closure that's affected on our local routes to try and minimize any of the pedestrian changes.
It's not every day you see Wacker Drive gone from building face to building face. The cooperation with the adjacent buildings has really been, I think, the key to the whole project. They're professionals. I think they see the need for the reconstruction and also appreciate the rate of the progress that's being made.
For those driving near Wacker Drive, numerous detours and street conversions have been implemented to help ease the flow of traffic around the project. In one of the most significant changes, Franklin Street, 1 block east of Wacker Drive, has now been converted to a two-way street, which will carry all northbound and southbound traffic detoured from the drive. With all these closures, detours, and conversions, CDOT will continue to communicate where the project stands and which areas will be affected. In return, they ask that those impacted by the reconstruction remain patient.
The continued line of communication is really the key with this, is an understanding that there's a massive project that is going on in stages, and that the success that we've had moving south will continue, and we're looking for moving into Madison in this summer. So just bear with us, and we'll be further south before you know it.
We'll continue to provide regular updates on the Wacker Drive reconstruction here on Chicago Works. In the meantime, for more information on the project, including all detours, check wackerdrive.org.